Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a personal insurance strategy with Aflac, full guide step by step clearly. To build a personal insurance strategy with Aflac, start by assessing your individual needs. Determine what types of coverage are essential for you and your family. Consider health insurance, life insurance, disability insurance, and accident insurance. Next, investigate the various Aflac policies available. Visit the Aflac website or speak with an Aflac representative for detailed information. Request a list of policy options that align with. Make a comparison of coverage types, benefits, and costs. Once you've gathered the necessary information, set a budget for your insurance expenses. Decide how much you can comfortably allocate towards premiums each month. Identify any existing policies you may have and what gaps they leave. Evaluate how Aflac can fill these gaps with supplemental coverage. Next, prioritize your coverage options based on urgency and importance. Consider starting with critical areas such as health and life insurance first. After prioritizing, review the terms and conditions of each policy carefully. Pay attention to exclusions, waiting periods, and benefits. Contact an Aflac agent for personalized assistance with your selections. Ask about available discounts or savings programs. Once you have all the information, make your final selections. Fill out any necessary application forms and documentation. Keep a copy of everything for your records. Set reminders for any follow-ups on your policy or additional coverage you may want. Lastly, regularly review your insurance strategy every year. Life changes can impact your needs, so stay proactive in adjustments. By following these steps, you'll create a tailored personal insurance strategy with Aflac that meets your unique needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.